How should a son be? There was a small village named Jamgaon. Four women used to live in this village: Sima, Rina, Gita, and Sia. Every day they used to come to the well to fill water. While they were filling water, they started talking to each other. While talking, they started extolling the qualities of their son. Sima said, "My son plays flute. He plays so well that whoever hears his flute become mesmerized. I am very happy to have such a talented son." Rina said, "My son is a great wrestler, not only in this village, he is famous even in far off villages too. May God give such a virtuous son to everyone." Just then Gita came forward and said, "My son is intelligent. There is no one more intelligent than him in this whole village. People come to him with their problems to get his advice. I am blessed to have such a son." Sia listened to everyone but said nothing. Seeing this, those three women started saying to her, "You also say something. What is the quality of your son? Tell us." At this, fourth woman said, "What can I say? My son has no qualities like your sons." After listening to her, all three women were proud of their son. While talking, everyone filled their pots with water. They started lifting their respective pitchers to go back to their home. At some time, son of first woman was passing by playing flute. He saw that his mother was not able to lift pot full of water, but ignoring this, he left from there playing his flute. Second woman's son was practicing at a distance. As soon as second woman got down from well step, after lifting pot, her foot slipped. Somehow she balanced. Her son saw this but still didn't come to her and continued with his practice. Just then, third woman's son also came out from his home. Seeing him, his mother said, "Son, I am holding the pitcher with both hands. Just put this rope on my shoulder." But her son didn't even respond to her words and left. Just then, son of fourth woman was also passing by that place. Seeing pitcher on his mother's head, he went to her and took that pitcher from her head and placed it on his head and started walking with her mother. An old woman was sitting near well, watching and listening to all of this said, "I see only one virtuous son here, the one who is carrying pot on his head, who can be a better son than a son who serves his parents."